Good morning and very warm welcome to my dear student. Today we are going to continue our class of lesson 3.6 of class 4 service provider. In our previous class we read about these two service provider. हामीले पछिल्लो क्लासमा चाहिँ दुईवटा सर्भिस प्रोवाइडरको बारेमा पढेका छौं. One is school and the post office. We read about the school and the post office, the service provider, school and the post office, and the services they provided to us. Now in this class or now in this part video, we are going to learn about these three service provider and the services they gave to us. So the first service provider is the hospital, second is the police station, and the third is the bank. So in our previous class पछिल्लो क्लासमा चाहिँ हामीले दुईवटा सर्भिस प्रोवाइडरको बारेमा पढ्यौं. So in our previous class we read about the two service provider, one is the school and the post office. So now we are going to learn about these three service provider. आज चाहिँ हामी यो तीनवटा सर्भिस प्रोवाइडरको बारेमा चाहिँ पढ्छौं. So the first service provider is hospital. So hospital is the place where we have with the facilities of the doctor, nurse, and the medicines. So hospital is the place where we get the facilities of doctor, nurse, and the medicines. Hospital भनेको त्यो ठाउँ हो जहाँ हामीले doctor, nurse र औषधिहरूको सुविधा पाउने गर्छौं. Where we get the facilities of doctor, nurse, and medicines. Medicines. Hospital is the place where we get the facilities of doctors, nurses, and the medicines. When we fall sick, we should go to the doctor. जब पनि हामी बिमार हुन्छ, जब पनि हामीलाई रोग लाग्छ, whenever we felt sick, whenever we felt weak, जब हामीलाई अलिकति कमजोर फिल हुन्छ, जब हामीलाई कुनै रोग लाग्छ, we should go to the doctor. हामी डाक्टर कहाँ जानुपर्छ? To consult to doctor. है डाक्टरसँग सुझाव लिनको लागि जब पनि हामीलाई रोग लाग्छ, we have to visit to the doctor. The doctor check the health condition of the patient and prescribe medicine for the patient. डाक्टरले हाम्रो हेल्थ चेक गर्नुहुन्छ. डाक्टरले हाम्रो हेल्थ चेक गर्नुहुन्छ. They checked our health condition. Doctor checked our health conditions and they prescribe the medicine to us. हाम्रो हेल्थ कन्डिसन चेक गरेर हामीलाई औषधि सुझाव गर्नुहुन्छ अथवा हामीलाई औषधि प्रिस्क्राइब गर्ने गर्नुहुन्छ. So hospital is the place where we get the facilities of doctors, nurses, and the medicines. And whenever we felt sick, whenever we felt weak, we should go to the doctor. Doctor checked our health conditions and they prescribe medicine to us. Nurse take a good care of the patient and provide medicines and the other health service in a time. डाक्टरले हामीलाई औषधि हाम्रो हेल्थ कन्डिसन चेक गरेर हामीलाई औषधि सुझाव गर्नुहुन्छ भने नर्सले हामीलाई विभिन्न सुविधाहरू अथवा औषधिहरू समयमा खुलाएर अथवा विभिन्न हेल्थ सर्भिसहरू स्वास्थ्य सम्बन्धी सुविधाहरू चाहिँ हामीलाई समयमा दिने गर्छ. Nurses take a good care of us. Nurses take a good care of us. नर्सले हामीलाई राम्रोसँग हेरचाह गर्ने गर्छ. They gives us medicine in a time. हामीलाई औषधि समयमा दिने गर्छ and they gives other facilities or they gives other health service in a time. They gives us medicine in a time. They gives us other health service in a time. You have heard that and read about the Florence Nightingale, and she was a dedicated nurse. तिमीहरूले पढ्यो होला अथवा सुने होला है फ्लोरेन्स नाइटिङ्गेलको बारेमा हामीहरूले पढेका छौं, सुनेका छौं हैन. फ्लोरेन्स नाइटिङ्गेल इज अ डेडिकेटेड नर्स. उ एउटा समर्पित नर्स थिइन् जसले आफ्नो कर्तव्य राम्रोसँग बुझेका थिइन्, आफ्नो कामलाई आफ्नो पेशालाई राम्रोसँग बुझेका थिइन् र उसले आफ्ना पेशेन्टहरूलाई राम्रो हेरचाह गर्ने गर्थे. She was the dedicated nurse Florence Nightingale was a Florence Nightingale was a डेडिकेटेड नर्स, ऊ एउटा समर्पित नर्स थियो जसले आफ्नो पेशेन्टलाई राम्रो हेरचाह गर्ने गर्थ्यो. We heard and we learned about Florence Nightingale, who was a dedicated nurse. So this is the facilities, or this is the services provided by the hospital. Now next is police station. So police station provide us security and protect people from the thieves, pickpocket, drunkard and the criminals. Police station ले अथवा पुलिस ले हामीलाई सुरक्षा दिने गर्छ. It gives us security. हामीलाई सुरक्षा दिने गर्छ. And it protect us from the thieves, pickpocket and drunkard or the criminals. Police provide us security. हामीलाई सुरक्षा दिन्छ र हामीलाई चोर, पकेट मार, जडिया अथवा अन्य अपराधीहरूबाट हामीलाई बचाउने काम गर्छ. They protect us from the thieves, from the pickpocket, from the drunkards and other criminals. They have their own uniform. पुलिसको आफ्नै छुट्टै पोशाक हुन्छ. They have their own uniforms. We can easily recognize them. हामीले पुलिसलाई सजिलैसँग रिकग्नाइज गर्न सक्छौं, सजिलैसँग चिन्न सक्छौं, सजिलैसँग हामीले पहिचान गर्न सक्छौं. Yes, he is a policeman. We can easily recognize with the help of the uniform. With the help of the uniform, we can easily recognize the police. हामीले पुलिसको हामीले पोशाकबाट पुलिसलाई हामीले सजिलैसँग पहिचान गर्न सक्छौं, सजिलैसँग हामीले चिन्न सक्छौं. We can easily recognize the police with the help of their uniforms. The office of the police is called the police station. र पुलिसहरुको अफिसलाई पुलिस स्टेशन भन्ने गर्छ. The office of the police is called police station. They work day and night to maintain peace and order in the society. पुलिसले दिन र रात हरेक दिन अथवा दिन र रात काम गर्ने गर्छन्. रात पनि भन्दैन, दिन पनि भन्दैन. They work day and night to maintain a peace and order in the society. समाजमा र शान्तिपूर्ण वातावरण सिर्जना गर्नका लागि पुलिसले हरेक दिन रात नभनिकन काम गर्ने गर्छ. The police work day and night to maintain a peaceful environment in the society, to protect us, to provide us security, to protect us from the thieves, pickpocket and the drunkard or the criminals. They work day and night. So the last service provider is a bank. The last service provider is a bank. So bank is a financial institution. Bank भनेको एउटा वित्तीय संस्था हो. It is a financial institutions. It deposits money and gives us money when we are need. बैंकले हाम्रो पैसालाई डिपोजिट गर्ने गर्छ, जम्मा गर्ने गर्छ. It deposit our money and it gives back our money when we need. जब हामीलाई खाँचो पर्छ हाम्रो पैसा हामीलाई वापस दिने गर्छ. Bank is a financial institution. Bank एउटा वित्तीय संस्था हो. It is a financial institution and it deposit our money. It deposit our money and gives us money whenever we need. If we deposit some money in a bank, यदि हामीले बैंकमा केही पैसा हामीले जम्मा गरेमा, the bank will give us some important things like receipt, check and passbook. यदि हामीले बैंकमा पैसा जम्मा गरेमा बैंकले हामीलाई केही महत्त्वपूर्ण कुराहरू दिने गर्छ. For example, receipt, check and passbook. If we deposit some money in a bank, it gives us some important things like receipt, check, and passbook. There are many banks in our country. In our country, there are many banks, many commercial bank, many developmental bank, commercial development bank. हाम्रो नेपालमा थुप्रै ब्याङ्कहरू छ. Some bank provide their client with a credit card. र केही ब्याङ्कहरूले आफ्ना ग्राहकहरूलाई क्रेडिट कार्डको सुविधा पनि दिने गर्छ. Some bank provide their client with a credit card. So, likewise, the service providing organizations, there are many service provider organizations in our country, like Drinking Water Corporation, Authority, Cable TV, Village Body, and the municipality. They provide people with the different services. So, like school, post office, hospital, police station, and a bank. Like school, post office, hospital, police station, and a bank. There are many service provider organizations which are established in our country to provide us service. They established to provide us service like Drinking Water Corporations, Cable TV, Village Body, Municipality, etc. So this much for today. I hope you understood about this service provider and the services they provided to us. Okay student, here are some homework for you related to this lesson 3.6 of class 4, service provider. So for the homework I have given you 4 question answer and fill in the blanks. So first come to the question answer. Where should we go to complain about the social evils? Social evils को बारे में complain गर्नका लागि, गुनासो पोख्नका लागि where should we go? Where should we go to complain about the social evils? So we should go to the police stations to complain about the social evils. Social evils को बारे में हामीलाई complain गर्नका लागि हामी कहाँ जानुपर्छ त? हामी police station जानुपर्छ. We should go to the police station to complain about the social evils. Now come to the question number 2. If you have to deposit some money, where do you go? तिमीलाई केही पैसा जम्मा गर्नु परेमा. If you have to deposit your money, if you have to deposit your some money, then where do you go? तिमीलाई तिम्रो केही पैसाहरु जम्मा गर्नु परेमा तिमी कहाँ जान्छौ? Yes, we go to the bank. We go to the bank. If you have some money, if we have some money, we go to the bank to deposit it. है हामीसँग केही पैसा छ भने हामी ब्याङ्कमा जाने गर्छौं. पैसा डिपोजिट गर्न हामी ब्याङ्कमा जाने गर्छौं. So if I have to deposit my money, I will go to the bank. If I have to deposit my money, then where do I go? Where do I go? I go to the bank. So now in the question number 3, who treats you when you are hospitalized? जब तिमी हस्पिटलमा भर्ना हुन्छौ, when you are hospitalized, when you are in hospital, then who treats you? तिमीलाई कसले राम्रोसँग हेरचाह गर्छ? So the answer will be the nurse. Nurse, when I will be hospitalized, then nurse will treat you. Nurse ले हामीलाई उपचार गर्ने गर्छ. Nurse ले हामीलाई राम्रो ट्रिट गर्ने गर्छ. So in the question number 4, why service provider is important to us? Service provider हाम्रो लागि किन important छ? So service provider is important to us because it provide us a comfortable life. It provide the people a comfort life. Service provider provides the people a comfort life in the society. That's why service provider is important. So this is the question answer. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Here you can see some option. In the fill in the blanks, you can see here some options. Gold chain, robbers, police station, lady. So here are 4 options. From these 4 options, you have to choose the right answer. You have to choose the right answer from this option. From this option, you have to choose the right one and right. Fill this bracket. So last week a bracket robbed a gold chain of a lady in a busy market. The bracket went to bracket and informed the policeman, and policeman called lady next day and returned her bracket. So यहाँ एउटा fill in the blanks छ. यो fill in the blanks चाहिँ तिमीले भर्न छ यहाँ माथिको अप्सनहरु हालेर. Okay, I'm not going to tell you this answer because it is very easy and you can do it by yourself. So I'm just explaining you. I'm just explaining you how to do this fill in the blanks. So I hope you can do this fill in the blanks. So this is the question answers and this is the fill in the blanks. This is your homework related to this lesson. I hope you will do this homework at your home. Thank you very much.